ready for doing a new flower? Stay tuned and watch this video. Last time we did the 3D flower, and today we're going to be doing... What do we need? Let me show you the materials. We need some So let's get started. First of all, we're going to be cutting. After doing this, I'm going to roll the Play-Doh, which is yellow. We're going to see what's happening. We're going to do it quickly, so that's what we're going to do 2 by 2. We're going to be doing 2. Okay, now it's ready. So we just roll it and make it as a circle. Now we're gonna take a step. So I thought that the pipe cleaners are thick and they can't stick. So my mom bought me these sticks, and I'm gonna be doing the same thing, but it's gonna be a stick. So let's do this. So that's better. So I'm gonna be rolling it all around until now. So the pipe cleaner is finished, so we're gonna get another one. And I'm gonna be tying it here. And I don't need to lift any kind of space. Oops. I know it's hard, but we have to finish it all. So, get another one. So, this is the last one, and after I'm finished, I'm gonna put all of these pads over the yellow plate. So let's get to it. And this is the last one. So guys, please comment down below what is this name of this flower, and you can write it. ممكن تكتبوها بالعربي لو بدكم, or you can write it in English. So it's just you need to comment down below what kind of flower is this. و ايش رح تكتبوا, يعني شو اسم الوردة هاد؟ اوكي. رح انتظر التعليقات تبعتكم. Comment down below, please. So let's finish. Oops. So yeah. So guys, I've just finished from the first flower. So now I'm gonna be doing the leaf, and it's super cute, guys. I love it. It's like the best flower I did in my life, and I love it. So let's do the leaf. So how do we do the leaf is that I'm gonna be putting this. I'm gonna do this over here. So now I'm finished for the leaf. So we're gonna be doing the second one. So guys, comment down below if you love it. Oh my god, it's super cute. Oh, I love it. Whoa. So let's do the other one. Guys, so this was the next one. I guess I'm gonna be putting this first because, why can't I do this? I'm gonna be tired of this. Oh, here. Outside is super noisy. Oh, thank you. Just hurts. That's cool, but it's a bit hard. So guys, do you love crafts? And do you have any kind of ideas for doing a craft? Maybe like flowers, penguin, anything, guys, in your mind, or you saw it? Please write it down so we can do it for you. And if you want to learn how to do it, we're with you guys. Like anything. طبعا إذا بدكم أي شيء مثلا let's say crafts مثلا أو ممكن مثلا أفكار، فاكتبوها بالكومنت تحت لو بدكم، وراح أعلمكم ستيب باي ستيب، وحتى لو بدكم بالعربي راح أعمل بالعربي. So guys, I'm done from my second flower, and I love it. It was super easy to do it. Don't forget to write down what is the name of this flower, the real name. So I'm going to be putting it with the 3D flower. Here we go. If you want to have more videos like the flowers videos, please subscribe to this channel. This is the important thing. Subscribe and also like. So make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and make sure to comment down below. Bye!